A survivor from a group of animals once present across the entire Earth, the terrestrial salamander is an amphibian measuring about 20 centimeters. It can be found at the foot of old walls or near clear, cold mountain streams. During the day, it hides under stones, feeding on insects, slugs, and worms, and only emerges at night or in rainy weather. Its flattened body, with smooth black skin marked with orange spots or stripes, is equipped with well-developed legs, a long lizard-like tail, and 2 crescent-shaped venom glands behind its head. When exposed to fire, its skin secretes a type of milk that slows the combustion of embers without extinguishing the flames. The most astonishing feature is its ability to regenerate missing parts of its body. In case of injury or amputation, its limbs, tail, eyes, jaw, or spinal cord can reform. This exceptional trait earned it a reputation of being immortal among the ancients. Many stories surround this creature of fire and ice. The salamander was believed to be able to pass through fire and even spit it at enemies. If thrown into a fire, it could both sustain and extinguish the flames due to the extreme coldness of its body. It was said that rubbing one's hands or clothes with salamander blood would protect against burns, and the blood was even more effective when mixed with egg white. A Pythagorean philosopher, Apollonius of Tyana, was born in Tyana, Cappadocia, in Turkey, shortly after Christ. His mother learned of her pregnancy from a demon, and according to early Kabbalist heretics, his father was a salamander. When Apollonius was born, he was greeted by the singing of swans and thunderclaps. His entire life was marked by a series of miracles. Card divination, more commonly known as the art of reading cards, has been part of witchcraft practices since the 14th century. This led some demonologists to claim that those who perform card tricks are sorcerers, or that whoever holds the cards holds the devil. For Kabbalists, the cards represented the spirits of the 4 elements, with diamonds symbolizing salamanders. In the early Renaissance, knowledge of animals came mostly from very ancient writings, such as those by Pliny or Aristotle. Transcribed in grimoires laden with superstitions, these writings fueled the malicious trade of sorcerers. In creating their spells, sorcerers made magical poisons using the head of a salamander, classified among harmful and venomous animals. This creature is so contagious and pernicious that it infects with its venom all the fruits of the trees it climbs, and kills those who eat them with its cold quality. While pigs could consume salamanders without any risk, it was said that anyone eating pork from a pig that had devoured a salamander would die suddenly, poisoned by its venom. Seculus was a minor demon. According to demonologies, he was born from a spark that flew from Vulcan's forge to the heart of Prenest, a city famous for its cult of the goddess Primogenia, Jupiter's nurse. Wild beasts supposedly took him in and raised him. But for the Kabbalists, he could only be a salamander, as his ease in the flames and his small eyes reddened by smoke betrayed him.